Hello guys, and welcome to the first ever video on Enchanted Woods. Well, it may be the second, depending on who else has uploaded it. Basically, the Enchanted Woods are a group of people, including me, Kittical 101. And, yeah. I really hope you have a nice day. Gonna do a quick game and explain what the Enchanted Woods is. Basically, the Enchanted Woods, well, as I said, a group of people. So far there's only 4, which is me, Kittical 101, Maisano Gaming, Bookam Girl, aka Mint Green Jelly Bean, which is going to be called very soon, and then last not least, but we're not 100% official yet, Diamond Death 21. Hopefully she'll join, and this will be a good group. If not, then I don't know. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so basically, we do videos to entertain you lot. So if you want to, you can subscribe and join the Enchanted Woods and be a part of us. So yeah, this is a really big step up since we ain't got that many subscribers at first. But eventually we are going to be popular with your help. No one would call the word popular. Yeah, there will be some mistakes in some videos, like just screens buffering or something, like when it's not properly pixelated. And yeah, Enchanted Woods is something that you can watch today, or in your case, right now. So guys, I hope you had a nice day. Thank you for taking your time, and goodbye. Hope you have a nice